In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add subpages under main pages in the Wix editor, which will automatically create drop-down menus for a seamless navigation experience on your website. Whether you're building your site for business, personal blogs, or just about any other purpose, organizing your content effectively is crucial, and this simple feature will help keep your site intuitive and easy to navigate. First, you'll want to log into your Wix account and open the editor for the website you're working on. The Wix editor is a powerful tool that allows you to customize and personalize your site in a visual way without any coding knowledge. Once you're in the editor, direct your attention to the left side of your screen where you'll find the Menus and Pages tab. Click on it to reveal your current site's page hierarchy. This section lists all the pages currently on your site, showing how they are organized, and it's where we'll be working to create those drop-down menus. Now, to add a new subpage, you'll first need to think about how you want your menu to be organized and which main page your subpages will fall under. For example, if you have a main page called Services, you might want to add subpages like Consultation, Workshops, and Support. In the Menus and Pages section, find the main page that will act as the parent. Hover over its name, and you should see a small button labeled Add Page, or sometimes just a plus icon. Click this, as this will open a new window asking for the name of the new page you're creating. After naming your new subpage, you'll likely see this new page appearing at the bottom or sometimes at the top of the current list. Don't worry, it needs to be rearranged to be part of the main page dropdown. To do this, simply click and hold on the subpage name and drag it slightly to the right under the desired main page. Once aligned under the main page, it becomes a subpage. You'll notice a slight indent or a dash indicating its new status as a subpage. Repeat these steps for all the subpages you wish to create under each main page. Now, when you hover over the main page in your site's navigation menu, the subpages should appear as a drop-down menu. This automatic feature not only tidies up the navigation bar, but enhances the user experience by allowing visitors to easily find more detailed content without cluttering the main menu. Remember to save your changes once you've set up all of your subpages and are satisfied with how your menu looks. You can preview your site to see how the drop-down functions and make any necessary adjustments to ensure everything aligns as you intend. And that's it. By following these steps, you've mastered adding subpages under main pages in the Wix editor to create drop-down menus that will help visitors engage more fluidly with your site's content.